Hello guys, today I am going to show how to fill Last Hope anthology from to fill your write-up or to submit your write-up. Don't skip this video or you may face some difficulties when you are going to fill your form or submit your form. At first you have to click the link to which is provided by Shreyan, CEO of Last Hope and also editor of this anthology. Then after click on this link you are redirected to this type of page. Here you can see the theme or topic of this anthology, language and genre, last date and many other important information about this anthology. Scroll down, scroll down, and in this field you have to fill your email address. As an example, I fill it with example.com, but you have to fill with your proper email address. Then you have to click on it to make it tick mark or right sign also in this field. Then click next to salt registration site. Then click on next button. Then you are redirected to salt registration site. In this salt registration site you only have to choose your language in which you will submit your write-up. And there is the number of salt. If there are no salt available or salt number is equal to 0, then you can't participate on that particular language. You have to submit your write-up or write in another one language. Suppose in this salt is 0, then you can participate on this on Hindi. Then of that case you have to submit your write-up in English. But now there are 30 salt in both of fields and I choose as an example English. Then click on next to identification site. Then you are redirected to identification site. In this page you have to choose this field if Mr. or Mrs. or Miss. I am male, so I choose Mr. Then you have to fill it with your real name, real full name, that means first name and last name. I fill it with, but you have to fill with your real name in block letter, that means capital letter. Here you have to fill your Instagram ID. Now I fill as a example, but you have to fill with your proper email ID. There this field is only for Last Hope WhatsApp group members. The members who are in Last Hope WhatsApp literacy group. As an example, if I am a member, as I am a member of Last Hope, I have to fill this field properly with my WhatsApp number. As an example, I fill with, but you have to fill with your proper number, I mean WhatsApp number. If you are a group member of Last Hope WhatsApp group, then you have to choose your country. If you are not Indian, then you choose other, and in there you have to write your country. Like I choose Japan, but I am an Indian, so I choose India. In this section you have to choose your biodata. That means your name, about yourself, anything about yourself which you want to share with world, like name, name, address, and anything else if you want to share, like age. Here you can submit your photo or upload your photo for your online promotion. If you want to see your online promotion with your photo, you have to click on add file, then choose your photo, and then OK, then click on OK. Your photo must be on jpg, .jpg or .png format. Press next for submission site. The submission site is the last page of this form. Press next. Then you are redirected to submission site. Scroll down. Here you have to fill your title of first submission. Only title, not write-up. As example, I fill it with example, but you have to fill it with your write-up title, and in this field you have to fill it with your write-up. And most important thing, in this field you have to fill the submission more than 100 characters for your first submission. That means if I say that I am a boy, in this sentence it carry 10 characters. I, number 1 character, space, number 2 character, am 3 and 4 characters. In like this, I am a boy carry 10 characters, and in this field you have to fill it with 100 characters, not 100 word. It mean 100, it says that you have to fill with 100 character, more than 100 character. More than 100 character, no limitation. There is no another limitation. You can fill it with unlimited character or word. Now I fill it with 100 characters. Like an example, is more than 100 characters, it's okay. If you want to submit more than one write-up in a form, you can do it. You can submit 10 write-up in a form. If you want to submit more than 10, then you can do it. I will teach you how to do it after this. Now if you want to submit your second write-up, then in this field you have to fill your second write-up title. Like as example, you have to fill with your write-up title. Here you have to fill with your submission or write-up. In this field, no any restriction are provided by Shreyan. You can fill it with as you want to fill. Less than 100 word, more than 100 word, it's depend on you. Then after submitting your write-up, you scroll down. Yes. Suggestion of book title. If you want to suggest a book title, I mean a title for this book, you can tap on this to go to book title suggestion site. If you are not interested to suggest any book title, you can click on no, I do not want to suggest. But now I do not want to suggest any book title, so I click on no, I do not want to suggest. Then I click on next. After I tap on next or click on next, this page is opened. Here you have to click on submit to submit your write-up or complete the form. Submit. Through this link, submit another response. You can submit your write-up. You can submit your second write-up. I mean, if you want to submit your write-up want to submit more than 10 write-up, you can click here and then follow the same rules to submit your another form or submission. I hope I can properly assist you. Stay with Last Hope and keep supporting Last Hope, your dream, our responsibility.